I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. Today I will show you how to add additional items to an existing subscription using the add-on items feature in SuiteBilling. First, you need to ensure that the add-on items feature is enabled in your SuiteBilling setup. You can add items at any point, even after the subscription has started. Once saved, these new add-ons follow the same workflow as any other subscription line item, making them easy to manage and activate. So on the subscriptions list, you can choose a subscription on the left by clicking on Edit. And then if I go into the Lines subtab, you can see that the default one that shows here as the catalog type add-on. So I will fill in all the mandatory fields, for example, this one. Is there any other one? That's fine. I'll mark this as pending activation. Okay, we're good. Then I'll go to the pricing subtab and I'll make sure to fill in the necessary pricing. So that's done. I fill in the necessary pricing. I have another video that explains how to do that. So that's why I've cut it in this one. Once you're happy with this, what you need to do is to simply click on save and subscribe to this channel for more NetSuite tips and tutorials. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I would be super grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.